Hi everyone, welcome back to U.S. Immigration Reform, your trusted guide to U.S. immigration news. If you're an undocumented immigrant, a dreamer, or supporting a loved one, today's video could change everything. It's October 2025, and a major bipartisan bill, the Dignity Act of 2025, is making waves. For the first time in years, there's a real path to permanent residency for many long-term undocumented folks. No amnesty, but earned status through hard work and compliance. We'll cover all the new rules, eligibility scenarios, changes, and how to get started. Stick around, this is comprehensive, fact-based, and straight from official sources. Let's dive in. What is the Dignity Act? Overview. Introduced on July 15, 2025, by Republican Representative Maria Elvira Salazar and Democrat Representative Veronica Escobar, the Dignity Act, H.R. 4393, is a comprehensive reform bill. It's backed by 20-plus lawmakers from both parties and endorsed by business groups, faith leaders, and educators. The goal? Fix our broken system by strengthening border security with new tech and funding, updating legal visas for modern needs, like more family visits and STEM talent, creating an earned path to legal status for undocumented immigrants who've built lives here since before December 31, 2020. This isn't a free pass, it's a trade-off, tougher enforcement for fair opportunities. The bill passed committee in September and is headed for a full House vote. If enacted, it could help up to 11 million people. Who qualifies for permanent residency? Key groups. The Dignity Program offers a 7-year deferred action period with work and travel authorization, leading to permanent residency, green card, if you meet requirements. No direct citizenship path, but stability for families. Main eligible groups. Long-term undocumented residents, been in the U.S. continuously since December 31, 2020, pass a background check, pay back taxes, and contribute $7,000 in fees/restitution? You're in for conditional permanent residency after 7 years of good conduct. This covers farm workers, essential workers, and families, potentially millions. Dreamers and DACA recipients, up to 2.5 million young people brought here as kids qualify for 10-year conditional green cards right away. Requirements: lived here since January 1, 2021, no serious crimes, education/military/work history. DACA ends under current policies, but this saves it. Documented dreamers, kids on parents' work visas who aged out at 21 due to backlogs? If you've had lawful presence for 10+ years, apply for full LPR status. TPS holders, partial previous TPS folks get a bridge to the Dignity Program if they've been here long-term. Not eligible? Recent arrivals, post-2020, those with felonies or security risks. Always check with USCIS. New rules and requirements, all scenarios covered. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. The Act covers every scenario with clear, step-by-step rules. No guesswork, here's a breakdown. U.S. immigration pathways, key scenarios, requirements, and challenges, 2025. Navigating U.S. immigration requires understanding evolving policies. Below is a streamlined guide to major pathways, timelines, fees, and challenges. 1. General undocumented, pre-2021 arrival. Requirements: background check, taxes paid, no crimes, annual DHS check-ins. Fees and timeline: $7,000, 7 years of deferred action green card. Challenges: proving continuous presence via bills, affidavits, or records. USCIS now requires biometrics, Form G-325R. 2. Dreamers or DACA. Requirements: arrived before age 16, U.S. resident since 2021, high school/equivalent or military/service. Benefits: immediate 10-year conditional green card, renewable. Challenges: DACA win down, apply ASAP via new Form I-82-1D. 3. Aged out family members. Requirements: 10+ years lawful presence on parents' visa, no backlog issues. Process: direct green card filing, interview required. Challenges: visa delays mitigated by CSPA protections, updated August 2025. 4. TPS to permanent residency. Requirements: prior TPS, integrate into Dignity Program. Timeline: 5-year path via Form I-821. Challenges: TPS ending for some countries, e.g., Honduras, by December 2025. 5. Mixed status families. Requirements: sponsor relatives via family purpose visa, full green card if eligible. Timeline: 90-day visits free, petition required for permanent residency. Challenges: enhanced vetting, including social media review. Universal rules, mandatory e-verify for jobs, no more off-books work. English or civics test for final green card. Fees, $7,000 plus application costs, but waivers for low income. Changes from prior law, stricter enforcement, e.g., January 2025 EO on registration, but more humanitarian paths. USCIS updated forms, e.g., I-485 Rev. February 2025, for faster processing. Border security and broader changes. The act isn't just about residency, it's holistic. New border wall funding, AI surveillance, and ending catch-and-release asylum. But positives, more H-2B visas, up 64K for 2025, for temp workers, O visas for STEM grads, and family visit visas. Other 2025 shifts, tighter naturalization tests, October 2025, biometric expansions, and H-1B reforms to protect U.S. jobs. Economic win, immigrants boost GDP by filling labor gaps. How to apply and next steps, ready to act. Visit uscis.gov/alien registration for free eligibility tool, live since April 2025. Gather proof, tax returns, residence docs, clean record. File Form G-325R, new registration, or I-485 for adjustment online for speed. Get free/low-cost help from nonprofits like the American Immigration Council. Pro tip, deadlines loom, apply before year-end if eligible. Track via my USCIS app. Call to action, that's the full scoop on 2025's potential game changer. It's a step toward dignity for contributors and security for all. What questions do you have? Drop them in comments, we'll reply. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for weekly updates, and share with someone who needs it. Remember, this is general info, see a licensed attorney. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
Undocumented immigrants may finally qualify for legal status under new bill. The Dignity Act of 2025, introduced by Representatives Salazar and Escobar, offers long-term undocumented immigrants an path to permanent residency, targeting those present in the years before December 31st, 2020. It provides a 7-year deferred action period, conditional green cards, and work travel authorization. Dreamers, the recipient is out. Children and some TPS holders qualify under specific rules. Applicants must pass background checks, pay taxes, and meet fees, while recent arrivals, felons, and security risks are excluded. The Act also strengthens border security, updates visas for esteemed tenant and families' expense, S2B and O visas, and mandates E-Verify and civic testing. USCIS forms are updated for streamlined processing. Non-profits and online tools support applicants. This bipartisan reform could help up to 11 million people while balancing enforcement and opportunity.